Hello, well, this is my first time speaking. I'm a little bit nervous. As you can see. Well, when she asked me, I was like, yeah, but now I'm so nervous. Oh, gosh. But I think it's a good time that I come here to thank you guys for everything you guys are doing for me. I'm a single mom, and it's hard for me to pay for daycare. And when I went to them, they helped me because of you guys. And I have the opportunity to work, to go to school, and I thank you guys a lot. And I just want to know that the money that you guys are providing, Elgin Daycare, it's helping the kids a lot. It's a nice place where my kids love it. They don't cry when they go. They have really good teachers, and thank you.